Hi, Professor Melina. My name is Carolina Rodriguez, and today we study Gordie Howe International Bride, and this is my team: Minette, Faizan, Banu, Abraham, and Zain. The Gordie Howe International Bride project is a strategic infrastructure development that will radically improve transformation in this region. The bridge, which will be able to situation vehicles, the pedestrians, this is happy so much, and the link for the comments. The conscious in the promise mobility as for international benefits, the project benefits is super strong and sustainable development. It incorporates principle of sustainability design and infrastructures to minimize environment impact. The gorge This is Gordie Howe International Bridge is the one important connection and a ready transformation for the network in this area. We have one project overview. The Gordie Howe International Bridge in Canada's Bridges Cross Borders Infrastructure project links Windows, Ontario and Detroit in Mississippi. It is a massive project which is done in collaboration with the United States, and its intention is to improve mobility and strengthen trade ties. Once completed, the bridge will be one of North America's longest bridges. It is a significant public investment that will fuel local economic development and is being feel under to leadership of the Window Detroit Bridges and
కనీసం ఆమె చెప్పింది షేర్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది.
Coming to the project scope, the enormous project includes the construction of the 2.5 kilometers cable stated bridge with the fully functional ports of entry. It's like POEs on both sides. It also includes the construction of an 175 high interchange for the unobstructed traffic flows. And coming to the pedestrian and cyclist flows, like there's a line between that, and it also provided through this specially constructed multi-use facilities to ensure the prudent development and comprehensive environment studies were conducted. Here, the prior to start the construction is that it is a border crossing efficiency and a trade improvement. And coming to the next slide, the project innovation in the planning. So for the Georgie Bridge, there is like six kind of models: the public-private partnership model, comprehensive project model, environmental studies, regulations, governance, and the stakeholders. So coming to all these, the project was innovated under the public-private partnership model, promoting collaboration among the government and the private sectors, like as they are stakeholders for the efficient delivery and financing. And coming to a comprehensive project, here this project was developed clearly defining the project objectives, the scopes, deliveries, timelines, and everything. And coming to the environmental studies, here the in-depth studies and the environmental studies were conducted to obtain the technical, economic, and environmental visibility for the project. And there is an alignment that the project is between the Canadian and United States, standing the cross-border compliances. And coming to the governments and our oversight, here the governance framework was established with the Window, Detour and Bridge Authority, you mean like WDBA, monitoring and being their responsibilities. And coming to the engagement, here the continuous stakeholders engagement with the major stakeholders like governance agencies, businesses, local communities, these all together involved in a part of it, and to build the trust and obtain feedback. Whereas coming to the project execution, here you can see that as in the figure, the construction is being carried out in the teams for the Canada and USA, the left side and the right side part. So this is a bridge between that, where the wild stay like it's a wide angle coordination. Here the project manager has been adhering strictly for the timelines and the preference standards as per the plans. Here, the building process has been made more efficient uh, through the technical developments, where you can see that it's a sandwich neighborhood and the vendors staying together and the bridge between that. So here the risks to stay proactive among the potential risks, and the regulatory communication with the stakeholders keeps them informed, and the environmental sustainability has been a priority always. So here my friend Banu will continue from this. Next one.
So topic is about like project monitoring and controlling. Progress is being continuously measured against baselines established for time, cost, and quality. A structured risk management planning address any issues they were unexpected. There are root quality controls to various stages of construction to keep the standards high. It keeps the cost under control. Reports to WDBA and other agencies in a regular manner. Adjustments are implemented as and when necessary to stay into accordance with the project goals. Key project components: 6 lanes, 3 in each direction, spans a total distance of approximately 1.5 miles, includes a 0.5 miles main space longest of its kind in North America. US Port of Authority spans a total area of around 68 hectares, built for through inspection of passengers and commercial cars. Michigan Interchange includes 4 new roads bridges and 5-foot crossings, enhancing intersections to make truck movement easier, enhance 175 ramps to allow unobstructed access to the POI. Key stakeholders: the WDBA is a federal government agency that oversees the project. Canadian and United States federal governments are involved in regulation and funding. Locally, municipal authorities and Windsor and Detroit have a role. Locally, the private sector, mostly construction firms and furniture, future operations, also have a significant role. That interests of the impact, citizenry, and environmental interest have also shaped implementation of the project.
As my friend has Manoj has explained the keyholder points, now my part is project cost management. The project budget is 4.4 billion Canadian dollars. Continuous financial management ensures cost control. A portion of the budget is reserved for unbudgeted expenses. Financial responsibility is maintained by government accountants and WDBA, and the cost is shared between Canada and the US. Regular cost benefit analysis ensures financial effectiveness during the period of the project. Resources. What are the resources that are required for that? The resources that were required are the input of the labor from across the border. Advanced equipment, materials, and engineering practices are being utilized, and qualified project management, architectural, and planning personnel have been hired. Funding is received from P3 arrangements, and support offered by local suppliers increases local participation. Technologies are being utilized to facilitate successful tracking during construction and quality management. And the next slide will be presented by my friend.
Hi everyone. My name is Manoj. So today I'm going to tell about the project success assessment. In this, the assessment the project success of the Godi Howe International Bridge. Key indicators such as adherence to scope, timely completion, and budget control were constantly met. Stakeholders have experienced positive feedback and critical milestones have been achieved. Forward-thinking planning efficiently address potential threats. This project not only reflects operational success but also lays the groundwork for long-term evaluation and improvement. Coming to the next slide, community and economic benefits. For a community and economic standpoint, the bridge is projected to deliver lasting benefits. It aims to alleviate traffic congestions, reduce emissions, and create thousands of jobs, both during and after construction. Increased continuity with boost local business, while community benefit includes support for education and environmental stewardship, ensure that the project uplifts both society and the economy. So this is about the community and economic benefits. So coming to the next slide, Faizan is going to tell about that.
So yes, Mohammed Faizan here. So in conclusion, the Gori Howard International Bridge stand as a powerful example, can be derived as a project management, and in highlight the importance of a stakeholder is suitability and statistical government and bridge in aspect to enhance the mobility and reduce the congestion, but it also serve a symbols of cross bordering until the substance of the development. So in the assignment, the project management can be drive a large scale infrastructure successful in a highlight the importance like strategical government and federal government. The bridge can be expected to not to enhance the mobility and reduce the congestion, but it also serve as symbols of cross-bordering until as sustainable development and enhance. So come to our next point. The reference is taken from the project management is 2021 July 15. The connecting the people, nation, and commerce. There they come for financial reputable source like project management and Windsor Bridge Authority and IPMA, that ensuring that the data and analysis is a presentation are well grounded in professionally standard and literate. This can be as a effort like a project management and a guidance to the project management to body to knowledge as a PMBOK guidance. So thank you all of our. So this is like a preference to for all the investment. Thank you. This is our group project. Have a nice day.